Okay, hi, sorry. I've just been doing some cleaning. I've just cleaned the floor. Do you like housework? I don't really mind it. I do it one day a week and get it all done, and today is my cleaning day! Yay! And the plan is to be finished by 12, so I have 2 hours to finish the whole flat. I have already ironed my shirts, I have just mopped the floor, but I haven't emptied the bins yet. I need to do that still. And right now I'll take a break and we are going to learn about the words yet, just and already that we often use with the present perfect tense. So, can you see the sentences up here? I have already ironed my shirts. The word already is before the main verb ironed. I have just cleaned the floor. The word just is, again, yes, before the main verb cleaned. I haven't emptied the bins yet. The word yet is at the end of the sentence. Good. Yet we can also use in questions with present perfect. For example, have you emptied the bins yet, Philip? And in that case, yet is again, at the end of the sentence. We almost exclusively use these three words with present perfect. Why? Because they talk about actions that happened or didn't happen in the past, and the results are related to present. So my shirts are ironed, the floor is wet because I have just cleaned it, and yes, I know, the bins are still full. So, what do these three words mean? What does it mean I have already ironed my shirts? I have just cleaned the floor. I haven't emptied the bins yet. Do you remember my plan to finish the cleaning today before 12 o'clock? Well, it's 10 now, so I have 2 hours to finish, and I have already ironed my shirts. So we use already for actions that happened before now, or earlier than expected. I was expecting to have it finished by 12, it's 10, and they are done. I have already done them. I have just cleaned the floor. You could see the floor is still wet. I just walked out. So we use just for things that happened very, very recently. And about the bins. Yes, I haven't done them yet. So we use yet with present perfect to talk about things that are not finished, that didn't happen, or to ask about things and whether they happened in the past. So in negative sentences or questions. Now, let's look at some more examples of these three words. For example, you know the scenario. It's a Friday night and you're trying to choose a film to watch on Netflix with your friend. So you ask, have you seen this film yet? Meaning in the past. Can we watch it now? Or look at this puppy. Have you fed the dog yet? It looks really hungry. I'm not sure you have done it. Or when you are talking about travels, for example, have you visited Madrid yet? See, I'm booking my flights to go to Madrid because I haven't visited Madrid yet. Or we can use already in a different scenario where I can say, look, I have already done my homework. It's finished. And you must be proud because I did it before you expected me to. Or when you look at the floor and it's really wet outside, it means it's just stopped raining. Is it raining now? No. Was it recent? Yes. How do we know? Well, the floor is wet, so it has just rained. Or, look at this. My sister, she has just won the lottery. Happened in the past, but now she's really rich. Yay, she can buy me presents. But that's not my sister. And she has not won the lottery, I'm afraid. I wish. It's just an image. But it's a good example. Don't we all wish we had just won the lottery? And what about the pronunciation? These three words, yet, just, and already, are usually unstressed in most English sentences. Like other similar grammar words, like prepositions, these adverbs don't usually carry the main message in the sentence, so we don't usually stress them. However, if they are the main message in the sentence, we do stress them. Look at these two conversations and compare. So, Rachel, after all the cleaning today, I'm going to have a party tonight.
Yes, you've already told me. I've just been to the wine shop.
Oh, okay, but I don't have the cake yet.
Oh, you'd better go.
Okay, bye. Oh, Rachel, have you finished my book yet? I need it back.
I've just finished it.
Oh, amazing! Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye. Okay, now let's check what you have just learned. I'm going to ask you 5 questions. If you need to, pause the video after each question, think, and answer the question. Afterwards, check the answers, which will be in the description of the video down below. Okay? So, question 1. What tense do we usually use yet, just, and already with? Question 2. Where in the sentence does yet go? Question 3. Can we use just and already in negative sentences? Question 4. Which word do we use to talk about actions that happened very recently? And question 5. Which word do we use to talk about actions that happened before now or earlier than expected? Now, go and check the answers to your questions. They're down below. So, I hope this video was helpful. If you need some extra practice of these 3 words, follow this link up here and go and practice them. Practice makes perfect, after all. And tell me, what have you already done today? I'll be really interested to know. Bye for now. I have the bins that I need to go and empty. So yeah, bye. Oh, of course, you want the bonus fact. So, here it is. Now you're familiar with the word already, right? It's an old English word, and it looks kind of like 2 words, all and ready. In fact, that's how it was created. Originally, it meant that everything was prepared. Everything was ready. All was ready. All ready. Bye.